In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugins on Hostinger. If you're using Hostinger's website builder, plugins are managed through what Hostinger calls integrations. They let you connect helpful tools and services to extend your site's features without touching code. I'll walk you through where to find them and how to turn them on, step by step, so you can confidently add the functionality you need. Start by opening your Hostinger hPanel dashboard. From the main view, look for the Websites section. This is where all of your hosted sites are organized. Click Websites to open it, then go to the full websites list to see every project tied to your account. Find the site you want to work on and choose Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger website builder for that specific site. Inside the builder, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll if needed, then click More. This area houses additional configuration options that aren't part of the basic design tools. Next, select Integrations. This is your plugin hub. You'll see available services you can connect to enhance analytics, marketing, communication, and other site functions. When you've found the integration you want, click Get Started. Hostinger will guide you through the setup on screen. Follow the prompts carefully and complete any requirements shown. Depending on the integration, that may include confirming your site selection, granting permissions, or toggling relevant features. Take a moment to read each message so you understand what's being enabled and how it affects your site. If an integration mentions optional data fields or connection details, only provide what's needed and never share sensitive information publicly. Once you've completed the requirements, the integration becomes active for your site. You can return to the Integration section at any time to review what's connected, adjust settings that are available, or start another integration the same way. If you don't see a specific option you expected, it may not be supported for your region or plan, or it might appear under a different category name. In that case, revisit the Integrations page and look through the available cards, or check Hostinger's help resources for that exact integration name. To recap the flow you'll use every time, open hPanel, go to Websites, open the Websites list, choose your site and edit website. Then, in the builder, select More, choose Integrations, and click Get Started on the integration you want, completing the on-screen requirements. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you add the features you need, feel free to repeat the same steps for any other integrations you want to enable on your Hostinger site.